favorite YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment my YouTube channel to get new and innovative content about maths. Today we will discuss chapter number 2, exercise 2.4, question number 1. Use the laws of exponent to simplify. The first question is 243 by minus 2 by 3 and 32 minus 1 by 5 and under root minus 196 by minus 1. What you will do? First you will convert the powers from negative to positive. So you are going to take the reciprocal. So now what you will do? Firstly put the equal sign. That is very important. And it counts the marks. If you don't put, your marks would be deducted. So now you will reciprocate it and 196 come here divided by 243 and 2 by 3 and 32 1 by 5. Now what you will do? Under root 196. You know 196 is how much? 14 square. You will put like this. Then you have 243. It is 3 power 5. If you just see and if you don't know, so 243, simply you can solve it. 3 8 are 21, 3 1s are and 3 2 are 6, 3 7s are 21. Yeah, it's 3 power 5 I said. 3 9s are, 3 3s are and 3 1s. So how much? 1 2 3 4 5. So 3 power 5 you can write, because you know it's 2 3. You can change into 3 power 2 and 3 power 3. So 3 power 3, 3 power 2 by 2 by 3. Then 32. If you just solve 32 also like this here, but it is 2 power 5. 2 1s are, 2 6s are, 2 8s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are and 2 1s. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the 5 powers. Then you will write here 2 power 5. 2 power 5 by 1 by 5. Like this you will write. Now actually you are going to cross out them. That square cancel by 1 by 2. Then 3 cancel by 3. 5 cancel by 5. Now here we will get 14. You know how 196 come also? I can tell you. Like this. 2 8s are 6, 2 9s are 18 and 2 8s are 16. 2 4s are 8, 2 9s are 18, 7 7s are 49 and 7 1s are 7. So 2 power 2 equal to 2 square and 7 square. So you will write here 14 square. Okay. Like this. So you will write here 40 by 3 power 3 cancel. So you will get, if you just simply know, so 3 multiplied by 2 by 3. This is actually this. This is cancelled. So you will get 3 power 2. And here 3 2 into 2 by 3. So you will get 2 to the 4 by 3. And here you will get 2 power 1. Now what you will do? Simply you will solve the question, and by solving the question you will get the answer. So if you just see, this is 4 and this is 2. 2 1s are 2 and 2 7s are 14. 7 by, now what is this? You will simply, these are the, according to the law of exponent, these bases are same, so exponents are different, so they would be added when they are going to multiply. So now 3 2, or either you can make another step, 3 power 2, then you write it 3 power 3 by 3 and 3 power 1 by 3. You can break them. So it would be more easier for you people. Now 3 1s are and 3 1s are, 3 power 1. So now 3 power 2, 3 power 1 and 3 power 1. Now you have got 3 factors. Like this you are going to solve them further also, that 7 by Now you are going to multiply both 3 factors of 3, 2 plus 1 and 1 by 3. So 7 will just have that reciprocal, that would be 3 reciprocal. So simply 3 twos are would be 1 and 3 twos are 6 plus 3 and plus 1. So 9 and 10. That would be 7 by 3 power 10 by 3. Now you can write the exponent form into the radical, that 7 by 10 by 3 is there. You can write here 3 10. Or either you can write here like this also, that 3 is a number and power is 3 and multiple is 3. So in this way you are going to write it like this also. So this is your answer, and do practice it, and don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment my YouTube channel to get new and innovative content about